Derivation of the logs of what logarithm, part 5. And of course, this has to do with the derivation of the fifth law of what logarithm, the fifth law of logarithm. The fifth law of logarithm states that the reciprocal of the log of a to base b is equals to the log of b, which is now the base, towards base a, which was previously the number. Interpreting this mathematically, the law says that 1 over the log of what a to base b is equals to the log of b to base what a. So this is what we call the fourth what law of what logarithm. And our task in this particular what video is to see to the derivation of it as what usual, to see to the derivation of this particular law, how it what originated or what came about. To do that, we shall say, don't forget, there's a particular law in part what 4 which we are going to be employing principally to carry out this task excellently. Meaning that what, if you've not been following the series, I will urge you to go back to what the series which has to do with the derivation of the laws of what logarithm, part 4, to be what specific. That will empower you with what the keyword law which is needful in deriving or what validating this claim that indeed the reciprocal of the log of a to base b is equals to the log of what b to base a. Okay, for purpose of knowledge, let's what derive it from what is scratch. Now we could prove that what log a to base b, remember, recall that what from what the fourth law of logarithm, that log a to base b is as good as what the log of what a to a new base say m divided by what the log of what b to base what m. Like I said before, I have what been able to derive this excellently in what part what 4 of the derivation of the fourth what log of what logarithm. So recall that what the log of a to base b is as good as log what a to base m divided by log b to what base what m. What does that imply? It implies that wherever I see what is called the log of a to base what b, I'm meant to put what log a to base m divided by log b to base m. So therefore 1 over the log of what a to base b, 1 over what the log of a to base b is as good as what 1 over. So what is what log a to base b standing for from the fourth law of logarithm, which is interpreted here in the board now, is what the log of a to base m divided by the log of what b to base what m. So when we do that, we're going to have 1 over what the log of what a to base what b is now equals to, reinterpreting this, what do we have? We have what 1 divided by, simplifying this rather, what do we have? We have 1 divided by what log a to base what m all over, take note of that, all over what log what b to base m, log what b to base what m. So this is as good as 1 over the log of what a to base what b is now equals to 1 times, alright, in mathematics, are you there? To change the division sign to a multiplication sign, you have to reciprocate. This will come to the top and this will come to the down. So we have what times the log of what b to base m divided by the log of what a to base what m. Therefore 1 over the log of a to base what b is now equals to what 1 times log b to base m is what log b to base m divided by what the log of what a to base m. So that is as good as 1 over the log of a to base what b is equals to, don't forget that what, or recall that what the log of what, are you there, a to base what m divided by the log of what b to base m. I've been able to prove this to be equals to what the log of what a to base what b. So if that is true, it means that what the log of b to base m divided by the log of a to base m will now be equals to, let's say 1 over now, 1 over the log of what a to base b is now equals to what, in this place we'll have the log of what b to base what a, which again validates the what, the derivation or the authenticity of what the fifth law of what logarithm, that says that the reciprocal of the log of a to base b is as good as log b to base what a. Please do not hesitate as usual to like, share, comment, and of course follow up for the part what 6 of the derivation of the laws of what logarithm, and which has to do with the derivation of the 6th what law of what logarithm. Love you. God bless.